Hey everyone, today we have a pretty cool box here. We've actually got a somewhat old, not terribly old, but a Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion box, Elite Trainer box, which is actually pretty cool. So stick around, we'll get into this in just a second. So let's go ahead and get this cut a little bit. Come on, there we go. Plastic off, go. And like normal, we've got our player's guide, we've got our outside wrapper that's got art in it. I'm sure a lot of people have seen this. I'm not gonna take that apart just this second. That's down here. This side. There's a lot of little pieces of cardboard there. All right, so here's our player's guide. PokemonCenter.com. Again, this is a somewhat older box, not terribly old, but still pretty neat. Again, we're always on the hunt for the rainbow foils, full arts. There's some golds, so those are pretty neat. All right, we'll set that to the side. All right, let's get this opened up. All right, and like normal, we've got our packs of cards. Get the spacers out of there. Got our card covers, our code card, we keep those. And some more accessories here. We've got our box dividers, our coins, our energies, the divider that was out of order, and then our dice, and our penny sleeves. Cool. So we've got 1, 2, 4, 5, 8 packs. Cool, so let's get those out of the way. And we've got a Ghastly, an Aeron, a Geodude, a Weedle, a Skiddo, a Bewear, and oh wow, we've got a full art Olivia Trainer. That's pretty nice. Our Energy, a Peking Red, a Grumpig, and a Molly. There's our Energy, our Akamako, a Diggersby, a Trainer, Jigglypuff, Execute, Mincino, Numel, a Swinub, a Reverse Hollow Gladion, and Primeape. Flip it over, there's our Energy, a Dashing Pouch, a Laron, Mail, Keknia, Bunnelby, a Shellos, a Weedle, Execute again, a Reverse Hollow Gogoat, and a Hollow Zurius. There's our Energy, a Psychic Memory, a Miltank, a Kakuna, Starly, Salandit, Shelmet, Jangmo, Staryu, Staravia, and a Crawdont. There's our Energy, Hakumo, Fighting Memory, Trainer, a Hunter, a Pumpkaboo, sorry, Swablu, Carablast, Skiddo, a Chimecho, a Reverse Hollow Bunnelby, and another trainer, a Lucamine, full card. Those. Our Energy, Exceligor, Striva, Gladion, Bunnelby, Houndour, Dino, Carablast, Jangmo, Miltank, and a Mismagius. Energy, Hakomo, Fighting Memory, a Hunter, Feebas, Cubone, Shellos, Bunnelby, Houndour, 2 Houndours, and a Beedrill. And we've got our Energy, Graveler, a low-end Graveler, Diggersby, Sea of Nothingness, a Ghastly, a Corpfish, Heron, a Mankey, Swinub, Excelgor, and Orangu. So it seems like out of these 8 packs, we only have 2 really good ones, the Lucamine and the Olivia Full Art Hollows. So those are pretty neat. All right, everyone. Well, that's it for this box. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.